What's the meaning of copyright? Copyright. Copyright.
Copyright. Copyright. Copyright refers to the legal ownership of creative works, such as literature, music, art, and software. It grants exclusive rights to the creators of those works to control how they are used, distributed, and copied. These rights include the right to reproduce, publish, and sell their work, as well as the right to prevent others from doing so without permission. Copyright protection incentivizes creativity and innovation by allowing creators to profit from their work and maintain control over how it is used. It also promotes the growth of industries that rely on creative content, such as publishing, music, and film.